Okay, in this video, I want to show how to download, install, and use the OBS Studio software to create screen recordings for the projects. So I'm going to go first, just do a search in Google for OBS Studio. Okay, and then I want to go to download, and then you can see we have these various options. I'm using Windows. I don't actually have access to a Mac. Um, So I'm going to install this on Windows. I'm assuming that you don't have the ability to install actual programs on Windows, that you don't have administrator access is what it's called. We can still get this to work, but we need to do is we need to need to download the zip file rather than downloading the installer. If you have the ability to install programs on your computer, then downloading the installer would probably be a better bet. But I'm going to download the zip because I don't have a choice. Okay, so it's downloading. Okay, so now I'm going to show in folder. Okay, so there it is. So I'm going to extract this, extract all. I'm going to go ahead and extract it here in the download folder. Let's take just a minute here. Okay, and then here it is. Okay, and then the program itself is here. You have to go to, let me show that again. Go to downloads. Okay, so here's the folder that it downloaded it to. So I'm going to click on this, and then I want to go to bin, and then 64-bit, and then scroll down to OBS 64. And you double click on this, and this will launch the program. All right, so now I'm in my directory. So if I double click on OBS 64, this application, it will open the program. Okay, and you can see here that this is basically kind of a mirror or something. I have a mic source and a display capture source, so I'm good to go. So there's a couple of things I'm going to suggest that we make for changes. So I want to go to settings, and I want to go to output, and here it says recording format MKV. We actually want to change that to MP4. And so there's that. And then the other is in output. In an output here, I'm going to click on browse, and I'm actually going to save it to the desktop. That way it's easier for me to find. Okay, so I'm going to then close this and tell it to save changes. Okay, so now with that done, I'm going to click on start recording. Okay, so now it is recording the background. So I have actually a little presentation that I created for my classes. This is Yoda does the Newton's laws of the force. So it's actually something I spent a lot of time on, maybe too much time on. So you can see here I've got my various animations and things in case you've done that, and then various things with Yoda doing stuff. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get out of this and then close this and go back to the OBS Studio and then click on stop recording. Okay, and at which point, if I go to the desktop now, you can see I now have this file here, and if it opens, okay, so now it is recording the background. So I have actually a little presentation that I created for my classes. Okay, so you can see here I have the file. So, and this is a MP4 file. So you should be able to, you can rename this. So I'm just going to rename it. Let's see, what do I want to rename it? Science Project, Science Fair Project. Spell science. Okay, and then I have that. And then you should then be able to upload this to the pbscf.org website. If you have trouble using the OBS software, please let me know. There are some additional settings that I had to make in the background to get it to work on this computer, and you may have similar problems. If you do, again, let me know, and I can show you how to make those changes. I'm hoping that you won't, but if you do, as always, if you have any other questions or problems, please feel free to contact me at sciencefair@utpb.edu. That science fair is all one word, at utpb.edu. Thank you.